I decided to cut my hair
First mistake.
by myself,
Second mistake.
and I did it. And the result is this complete disaster. आज तक ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ जब मैंने हेयर कट किया और मैं वो रिजल्ट से खुश हूँ, कभी नहीं. So at this point, I would like to quote something, and I am sure people will be using this quote for years and years to come. A good haircut is the one that never happened. What's up, guys? This is your not so famous Shashwat Darak, and I'm back with yet another super crazy video. This one is like so. This is going to be so fun. I'm like pumping with excitement. But before we start with the video, why did I not upload a video last week? So up till now I used to make it a point that I upload a video every week, and I used to do that. Surprisingly, I used to. But पिछला वीक क्यों नहीं निकाला? तो सबके लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ प्रायोरिटीज होती है. पढ़ाई, फैमिली इश्यूज, काम, ये सब मेरा कारण नहीं था. फोड़ा यहाँ पर फोड़ा हो गया था. तो 3 हफ्ते पहले मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था using cheesy pickup lines on girls, and that video got so many views. And in that video I had asked you all whether you all want a part 2 or not, and most of you all said yes. So here I am with the part 2 of the video. Go watch that video if you still haven't. And in that video I was calling girls and using the cheesiest pickup lines which I found from Google. But the thing was, I knew those girls. I had talked to all of them at least once in my lifetime. In this video I am going to call girls who are random, like they just know that I'm going to call her, but that's it. I have never talked to them, so their reaction will be 100% genuine. And secondly, I'm going to use the lines which you all gave. I had uploaded a story on Instagram asking you all for the cheesiest and the funniest pickup lines, and the suggestions, oh my god, I am like nervous, frightened, excited. Just I don't know how this video will turn out to be, because I'm going to call them right in front of you. I have no idea what they'll say, whether they'll answer or not, whether they'll like continue talking to me or not. Whatever the case, the video is going to be super fun. So watch the video till the very end and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't, because new video every week. Let's keep going. So first call, I'm nervous already. The thing is, calling people whom we have never talked to is scary, because it's funny, but what if the person doesn't like it? I mean, anything can happen. And this line, I don't know whether she'll like it or not. I'm just going to do it. I'm freaking out so bad. I'm going to call her. I don't know whether this is the right thing to do or not.
तुम्ही क्या व्यक्तीला कॉल?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I just had a question for you.
Yeah.
Is your dad a terrorist? Cause you are a bomb. I am not kidding. I mean it. I mean every word of it. Shit, I was so scared.
And you are the lighter.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing it. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't wait.
If a guy uses this line on you, would you go on a date with him?
Yeah.
You will?
Confirm.
Well, that's great.
Weekend.
Oh, next weekend. Okay, that sounds good.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting no licks in the bank. Legacy.
You know, one thing I know for sure. I made this is my second video, and like my 7th or 8th person with whom I'm doing this. Girls like pickup lines. Girls like cheesy pickup lines. I was under the impression they don't. Okay, first call done. Good job. Why am I doing this to myself? I shouldn't have asked you all for the pickup lines. I should have done it myself. This one is so bad. It's like so cheesy. But okay, let's get it done with.
Hello.
Hi, this is Shashwat.
Hi.
So I just had one question to ask you.
Yeah.
Have we met before? Because I'm very sure I have seen you somewhere. Have we met before?
No.
Oh, I guess it must be from my dreams then. Oh my god, I did it.
Nice.
Nice? How was it?
Like it's cool.
Uh-huh.
Not that great, but yeah, it's decent.
Decent. Okay, decent is good enough. So would you go
Yeah.
on a date with a guy who uses this pickup line?
No.
Why not? It's cute. Cheesy but cute.
Yeah, like if you wanna go on a date, just ask like casually, not
Mm-hmm.
like cheesy line. ये सब मत बोलो.
Okay, so just directly ask her.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Thanks a lot. I'll give you a call back after 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so remember after the first call when I said girls like cheesy pickup lines? They don't. Some do, some don't. Or, I don't know, girls are tough to comprehend. I just read the next line which you all suggested. And where are you even finding these lines from, yaar? Come on. This is the cheesiest line. I mean, I say that for every line, but this is so cheesy. Hello?
Hello?
This is Shashwat.
Yeah, hi.
I just wanted to ask you something.
Yeah, say.
Can I have a photo of yours? Because I want to show Santa what I want for Christmas.
Oh my.
How was it? How was the line?
It was okay.
Okay. Would you go on a date with a guy who uses this line?
I don't know.
I mean, it was cute, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was not that bad.
But not good either.
Yeah.
Okay, I have one more for you.
Okay.
Does your name start with M? Because I want to call you mine.
Oh.
Come on. So now, would you go on a date with this guy?
Never. No. Never. No. Never. No.
Bye.
हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में.
Oh my god. Rejection. Then rejection again. If you're watching this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It will help me reach new audience and motivate me to make more videos for you all. So if you are watching this, do leave a thumbs up below without fail. I don't like the next line. I don't want to do this. But for you, only for you, let's get it done with. Come on. Still nervous, still scared. Let's see.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
This is
Hi.
Shashwat.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say something to you.
Okay.
If I were a cat, I would want to spend all of my 9 lives with you. I'm sorry for that.
I wish you were a cat.
You do have a cat?
I wish you were a cat. But
Oh, yeah, I'm not, sadly.
yeah.
But if a guy uses this line, would you date him? I mean the level of commitment. All 9 lives with
But
you.
yeah, like I would give it a try because I love cats.
Oh, so not because you like the guy or anything, but because you love cats.
Yeah, but because the pickup line was like very, it was kind of good for me because I like cats, so I'd be impressed.
Okay, so you are impressed. Okay, thank you. I'll give you a call
Okay.
back. Yeah, thanks a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah, no problem.
If you have any more animal pickup lines, give it to me because I'm sure girls love puppies. So a pickup line which involves puppies. Perfect. I found the next line quite amusing. It's intelligent. I liked it. I liked the next line. Oh my god, I'm smiling so much. I never smile. I never smile in pictures. I never smile in person. I'm just like a gloomy guy when it comes to taking pictures and stuff. But this next line, it's interesting. I like it. Let's see how this girl will react to it. Hello,
Hello.
this is Shashwat.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. I just wanted to say something to you.
Yeah, say.
You need to date me if I am wrong. But Sachin Tendulkar is a singer, right? Wasn't that clever? Wasn't that clever?
Yeah, that was.
So what would you have done? Would you have dated this guy if a guy uses this line on you?
Not really.
But he didn't give you an option. Thanks a lot. I'm sorry if you felt weird or something.
No, that's cool.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Bye.
So one last one. But before that, drop your comments, spam the comment section. You know, the best part after uploading the video is reading the comments. I absolutely enjoy it. So just drop your comments and tell me which line did you find the best. If you have any more suggestions, any more pickup lines, crazy things, just drop in your comments. And one last call. This one is kind of cute, not too cheesy, cute. I guess girls will like this, but we'll know for sure once we ask her. Hello. Hi, this is Shashwat.
Hi.
I just wanted to say something.
Yeah, go ahead.
I am not really good at clicking pictures, but I can picture you and me together. How was it? Please tell me it was good.
It was pretty decent, yeah.
Pretty decent? So is that a good decent or bad decent?
It's a good decent.
So would you go on a date with a guy who uses this line?
I think so.
You would. So that's a yes. I'm going to take that as a yes.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, thanks a lot. I'll give you a call back after 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So like I did in the last video, one line to each and everyone who is watching this video and to those who have subscribed to the channel. Straight from my heart. If you keep being so sweet, I'll get diabetes. I am so grateful to each and everyone who has subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. Also a big thank you to each and every girl who agreed to do this in this video as well as in the previous video. I just asked them and they agreed, so that's really sweet of you.
शाश्वत दरवाजे पर
मम्मा
कोई
वीडियो
आया
ऑन है,
है।
बाद में बोलना।
5-6 लड़कियां आई हैं, बोल रही है कि तू उनको मैकडॉनल्ड्स लेके जाने वाला
मेरे के
है।
सामने नहीं बोलना था। Don't forget to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. One more reason why I didn't upload a video last week was because my subscribers weren't increasing. After every video, I see whether there's a considerable increase in the subscribers. If there's not, it just demotivates me. So subscribe to the channel. That will really help me a lot and you'll get to see some really cool and crazy content here. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and drop your comment. That's it for today. Shashwat Darak signing off.